Here with a standout performer from today's semi-final, Kevaughn Wilson, goal scorer. First of all, how does it feel to score in the Manning Cup semi-final, the go-ahead goal for your team?
Well, I needed to step up for the team and I did that today, so I'm very proud. I'm overwhelmed to be in the Manning Cup final for the first time.
Alright, talk to me about the mentality coming into this game. How did you feel coming into the game today?
I was excited. As I said earlier in the first interview, I believed in my team quality. I came out today and showed the whole Jamaica that.
Alright, what did you do to get up for today's game? You know it's a semi-final. What did you do? What music did you listen? Because you had a good game today, so tell me about it.
Only motivation music, positive music, and I kept a relaxed mind and I came out here today and did well.
Alright, before you step up to that penalty, what was going through your mind? Did you pick up your spot from yesterday? Tell me about that penalty kick.
No, I did not pick my spot. I just went, fed the keeper, watched him and he moved and I just went the opposite way and I executed it very well.
Alright, how does it feel to be in the Manning Cup final 2022?
I'm feeling good, feeling good to be in the final for the first time. I'm very proud of the team and what I do and help the team today.
Alright, finally, what can we expect from Jamaica College in the finals against either Kingston College or Stats? What can we expect?
As I said, we don't talk it, we just go out there and show what we can do, and end of the day the football will speak. So that's our goal and that's the aim we're going out with there.
Alright, is the Manning Cup coming home?
Yes, it's definitely coming back to all up, definitely, 100%.
Alright, there you have it from Kevaughn Wilson, goal scorer.